Welcome to Marshal. In this short demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can use Marshal to not only protect all your websites, your client's website, but also be prepared and avoid any kinds of sketchy, shady lawsuits that might be coming your way from some crooked lawyers. Now, Marshal is really straightforward and super easy to use, and it doesn't take long. The backend is powered by AI and it analyzes any website using just a website link or a domain. Now, let me show you how it works. Let's say you have your own business or you want to help a client. For example, I found a barbershop in Orlando and this is their website. So I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to head back and I'm going to click on add new business. I'm going to type in name, cut, shave, and then whatever the email is if I'm aware of, or I can just leave it blank. There's a dummy email for now, and I'm going to put in the website URL, and the region is US. Now I'm going to select a niche. Scroll down, hair salon, save business. Now if I want to assign this business to a team member to handle the business for the client, or I can just skip for now. And that is all you need to do. Once this is done, Marshal will start analyzing this website, and you click on it and you can see Marshal has already started analyzing the website for data compliance, privacy compliance including GDPR, CCPA, LGBT, POPI. It's going to do an SEO and SEO audit and a performance toolkit audit for the website that you can start by just one click, and then it's going to do a website security, which is the most important, and also check for local business compliances. Start with one by one. Start with website security. Now before I get into it, you can also download a full report for your client just like this that you can email them or share to them when you're trying to convert them, right? So you can convert them by just sending them a report showing all the problems, the security problems, the compliance problem their website has, and all the money they could end up losing because of not fixing these. Let's start with security. If you click on continue, I can pick from multiple different security scans, or I can do a full scan and just click on the button, and Marshal will go out there and start scanning all the problems and start generating all the solutions for each problems that you can offer. Now as you can see, it's a high risk overall. It's 5-point risk, and the scan was started at a specific time. It took 4 minutes on the back end to finish the scan, and you can see all the issues that the website has with full detail and full breakdown of all the problems and how you can fix all these problems. Here's a detailed explanation of what it is, and here's a URL where this information was gathered to make sure that the information that Marshal is providing you based on its AI is actually useful, right? And once you all these problems, you can go ahead and mark it as compliant, so your overall score improves. Now if this website is based on WordPress, Marshal comes with a WordPress security plugin as well that you can install on your client or your own website, and that plugin will start automatically fixing the problem. So this is how the plugin looks. It has all these protection modules, logs, IP ban, whitelisting, warning pages, PHP security checks, system information check, visitor analytics, error monitoring, SD access editor, port scanner, IP blacklisting, hashing, and history to make sure you protect all your pages, all your websites using the plugin without actually doing any technical mumbo jumbo yourself. So this is an incredible powerful way, and you can install this plugin on all your clients' websites. And as you can see, all the protection modes that are active and everything that is not active, and then how you turn on. It's login, click off, simple plugin to use. Now if I go back, I can check for data compliance as well. Now again, I can fully customize the general settings, the profile, content adjustment, color adjustment, orientation, and once I've fully customized everything, mobile customization, even add animations to it, what you can do is just click on install, grab this code by clicking on copy button and paste it on all your websites, and you become instantly ADA compliant. Super easy. Now for privacy compliance, what you can do is click on the start button, and it's going to take you for your GDPR compliance. You can turn it on, and you can enable terms and services, privacy, cookie consent, right to be forgotten. All of these are also via the Marshal plugin. The same plugin offers all these three options as well. You can enable cookie consent, you can customize it as you want, you can add a privacy policy link. Now Marshal has already generated a privacy policy link. You copy this link and you can paste it inside your website. You can click on generate and you can go in there, update all these settings, details you can add, and you can generate your own privacy compliance privacy policy. You can also same way generate a terms of condition page by entering your business detail, previewing it, and then either printing it or just pasting this link inside your website. Now we also have SEO compliance, and you simply click on run audit, and Marshal will start auditing, generating content, which it had already been doing in the background since we started, and using AI start figuring out better ways, better metadata and suggestions for you to improve your SEO and your performance, and make sure that you are 100% SEO compliant. You can see there's no metadata on this website, which is huge. You can see there are barely any links, so this website is really poorly optimized. Here there are no images, there are no content, none of it is properly optimized, and Marshal will start giving you a recommendation on how to improve and fix. The final option is the local business compliance, where if you are a US or EU based business, you will get certain regulations that you need to be compliant about, and you can review this based on your business niche. You can learn about it, check if you're compliant or not, read more about it, how to get them compliant, and mark them as compliant for your or your client's local or online business. Now this is how Marshal works, and this is how it makes so much easy for anybody to start being 100% hacker proof and 100% compliant with local and online regulations. And of course you can always download all the reports, you can share and email these reports with your clients and help them get approved, and in the whole process get paid doing so. Now if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. We'll be happy to help you. Cheers.